To make banana tea for a good night's sleep. Use banana or dry banana peels for natural sleep remedy. Are you having trouble getting a good night's sleep but don't want to grab a sleeping pill? Let us show how to make banana tea for a natural sleep remedy. With all the stress around us, it can be hard to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling rested. What happens when you don't get enough sleep? You lose out on what your body can do to work properly. The cognitive thinking skills get worse, your motor skills slow down, your energy drops. Most importantly, you are at more risk of diseases and health conditions like obesity, diabetes, and cancer. You feel better, work better, and prevent diseases by getting at least 8 hours of sleep each night. Disadvantages of using sleeping pills. Don't use more sleeping pills because this can come with dizziness, constipation, stomach pain, a hard time paying attention, memory problems, and harms to the central nervous system. Banana tea's benefits. Let's think about the soothing quality of bananas, the banana peel, and cinnamon. They are a great way to stop insomnia and other sleeping disorders. Bananas are full of potassium and magnesium. Most people don't know that the banana peel has even more potassium and magnesium than the banana, and they just throw it away. Not anymore after this video. Banana. With this simple recipe, you can get the help from potassium and magnesium in the banana peel. Potassium and magnesium are helpful to the nervous system and are great for soothing the muscles. In fact, magnesium is the most important mineral to relax muscles and can help lessen muscle cramps along with other aches and pains. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is great because it stabilizes blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are stable, your hormones can work in a way that lets you sleep better. If your blood sugar levels are low, then you may get extra energy at night or be tired during the day. In this video, we will show you 2 ways to make banana tea. The first method is to make tea with fresh bananas and cinnamon. And the second one is to make tea from dry banana peels. You can choose the most convenient and suitable way for your family. How to make banana tea for a good night's sleep. Some notes before you make banana tea. If you can buy organic bananas, then it is the best option because conventionally grown bananas are heavily sprayed with pesticide. Before making banana tea, you should wash the bananas with water thoroughly, using salt water to soak and wash bananas. This is a good way to remove pesticides. Method 1. Make fresh banana and cinnamon tea. You will need 1 organic banana with peel, 1 small pot of water, a sprinkle of cinnamon if you like, 500 milliliters or about 17 ounces of water. How to make whole fresh banana tea. Cut off both ends of the banana, top and bottom. Put the banana into a pot of boiling water. It's better if the water is filtered. Boil it for about 10 minutes. Sprinkle some cinnamon in the water as well. Strain. If you like to add some stevia for sweetening, do so. Stevia is a sugar substitute that helps even out blood sugar levels and will not raise blood sugar levels before bed. Add more cinnamon if you like, and enjoy! Whole banana tea is naturally sweetened and tastes good. However, it does contain some sugar which might raise blood glucose level. If you are diabetic or in intermittent fasting and don't want to consume much sugar, then you could also consider dry banana peel tea. Method 2. Make dry banana peel tea. How to dry banana peels for making tea. We will use the peels of bananas. Remember, you should wash the whole banana thoroughly before peeling. 1 banana peel usually make about 3 tablespoons of dry peel. which is the amount to make a single cup of tea. Using a dehydrator, chop up the peels, place them in a single layer, and dry at 70 degrees Celsius, about 155 degrees Fahrenheit, for 6 to 8 hours. Using oven, preheat the oven about 80 degrees Celsius, or about 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop up the peels and place them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Dry them for 2 to 3 hours, then flip them over and place them back in the oven until they are dried through. It should be around 2 to 3 hours for the second drying session, which makes the total drying time about 4 to 6 hours. Sun dry. Chop up the peels and place them in a single layer on a baking sheet or basket. Dry them for 2 days. Then flip them over and dry them until dried through, about 2 days more. How to make dry banana peel tea. You will need 2 tablespoons of dry banana peels, 1 1/4 cup of water, 1 cinnamon stick optional. How to make. Place peel and cinnamon stick, if you are using them, and water in a small pot and bring to boil. Cover, reduce heat, and simmer on low for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and strain out the peel. Add sweetener if desired before serving. If you like this video, then share it with your friends. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our fan page, YouTube channel, Instagram, and Pinterest, and turn on notifications so you never miss our new articles and videos. Wishing you health, wealth, and happiness. See you in the next topics.